Choosing the wrong handheld oscilloscope can cost you more than just money. Poor accuracy and limited features can make troubleshooting harder than it needs to be. In this video, we'll count down the 5 best handheld oscilloscopes that offer the right balance of performance, features, and value. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, this guide will help you find the right option. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. Number 1. FNIRSI 2C53T Upgraded Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 2C53T is like carrying a toolbox in your hand. It combines 3 important tools into one: an oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a signal generator. With a 50 MHz bandwidth and a fast 250 ms/s sampling rate, it can show signals clearly without missing small details. The multimeter mode supports up to 19,999 counts, so you can measure voltage, current, resistance, capacitors, and more. It even has 2 channels, which means you can check and compare 2 signals at once, making it great for troubleshooting. Pros: 3 tools in one saves space and money. Clear signal display makes it easier to read waveforms. Cons: the many functions can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. Comment: if you want one device that can do almost everything, this is a solid pick. It's especially good for technicians or serious hobbyists who want professional-level tools in a small package. Number 2. 3-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope Automotive Dual Channel 50 MHz. This handheld oscilloscope is made for people who need one device that can do many jobs. It combines a 50 MHz dual-channel oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator. It offers a high-speed sampling rate of up to 280 ms/s, so it catches signals quickly and accurately. In normal mode, it still runs at 200 ms/s, which is more than enough for most jobs. This makes it great for automotive work, electronics repair, or even testing in a small lab. The compact design means you can carry it with you anywhere, so it's always ready when you need it. Pros: fast sampling rates capture even tricky signals. Combines 3 tools in one, so you don't need extra gear. Cons: the battery may drain quickly during heavy use. Comment: if you do a lot of fieldwork or automotive checks, this oscilloscope is a very practical option. It's reliable, portable, and gets the job done without much hassle. Number 3. FNIRSI DSO-152 Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI DSO-152 is a budget-friendly choice for beginners and hobbyists. It has a 2.8-inch TFT screen that shows signals clearly enough for basic work. With a 200 kHz bandwidth and a 2.5 ms/s sampling rate, it isn't built for high-frequency jobs, but it works well for audio, analog, and simple digital projects. It also includes trigger modes like auto, normal, and single, so you can capture signals the way you want. The design is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to carry in your toolbox or backpack. Pros: very affordable for students and hobbyists. Easy to set up and simple to use. Cons: limited bandwidth makes it unsuitable for advanced projects. Comment: if you're just starting out and want to learn how oscilloscopes work, this model is a smart first step. It's simple, clear, and perfect for small projects without spending too much. Number 4. HANMATEK HO11 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The HANMATEK HO11 offers a nice balance of portability and power. It has a 10 MHz bandwidth and a 48 ms/s high-precision sampling rate, which ensures that it can capture signals accurately. The 2.8-inch TFT screen is bright and easy to read, and the device is USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries. Its advanced trigger system makes it easier to capture the exact part of a signal you need. This oscilloscope is great for diagnosing circuits, checking analog waveforms, or troubleshooting small hardware. It's small, light, and very handy for fieldwork. Pros: captures signals reliably for everyday testing. Rechargeable and portable, perfect for on-the-go use. Cons: bandwidth is not as high as some pro-level models. Comment: if you need a dependable, easy-to-carry scope for regular electronics work, the HO11 is a solid choice. It's simple, effective, and travel-friendly. Number 5. AUIQ-150001 Handheld Oscilloscope Kit. The AUIQ-150001 is designed for beginners who want something simple. It comes fully assembled, so you don't need to build or set it up. The small 2.4-inch TFT screen is clear enough for basic work, and the sensitivity range of 5 MV/diV to 20 V/diV means it can measure both small and large signals. The design separates the analog channel from the display board, which reduces noise and gives more accurate readings. It also includes a rotary encoder, so adjusting settings is quick and smooth. Plus, it comes with a BNC probe and power supply, making it ready to use right out of the box. Pros: very easy to use, no setup required. Lightweight and compact, ideal for learning. Cons: the small screen limits detailed signal analysis. Comment: if you're a beginner or hobbyist and want a tool that works right away, this oscilloscope is a great pick. It's affordable, simple, and perfect for getting started. And that's our list of the top 5 handheld oscilloscopes. There's one here for every user, from pros to new learners. I hope this guide helped you find the right pick. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. Drop a comment too. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and friendly product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.